I hate to be the one to tell you this, but the world probably doesn't look like what you think it does. Let me explain. Geometry on flat surfaces and geometry on spheres doesn't work the same way, and this leads to some weird things. For example, on a globe you could start at the equator, head north until you reach the North Pole, turn 90 degrees and start walking south until you hit the equator again, then turn another 90 degrees and follow the equator until you get back to the starting point and form a triangle. A normal triangle has internal angles that add up to 180 degrees. But we just made one that adds up to 270 degrees. This difference between spheres and flat surfaces means that maps printed in a book or on a computer screen have to make adjustments, making them what's called a map projection. The projection most of us are used to is called the Mercator projection, and on it, Greenland looks absolutely huge, bigger than Africa. But if we chop Greenland out of the actual globe and overlay it, we see that Africa is way bigger. Same thing with Antarctica, giant on the map, actually the second smallest continent on the globe. There are dozens of map projections, and they all cause the world to look very different. Look them up and start doing some comparisons on your own. The results will be as weird as they are interesting. And that's the juice.